students. Today in this video I am going to teach you worksheet. In this worksheet I am giving 6 problems. So here in these problems some are carrying and without carrying. Here I am going to giving 6 problems. Among them I am going to solve any 2 or 3 problems. Remaining you have solve it and it will give some hints for them. Take the help of these hints and try to solve them. Okay. Now I solve first one. Children, the first one question is 56,819 plus 78,239. So we solve the sum. Take first row. First you write the first one number. Which number? 56,819 plus 78,239. Put the addition symbol plus. Now you start the from one space. Here number given 9 and 9. You add 9 plus 9 how much? 18. You write 8 in one space. Put the carry in 10th place. Now add with carry in 10th place. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 3 how much? 5. Okay. Now we add 100 place. 8 plus 2 10. You write 0 in 100 place. Put the carry in 1000 place. Now add with carry 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 8 15. You write 5 in 1000 place. Put the carry in 10,000 place. Now add with carry 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 13. So this is the sum. You put the after 3 digit you put the comma. So what is the answer? 1,35,058. So we solve next one. The second one problem 27,118 plus 14,498. So here also I make graph. In that graph also add the both numbers 27,118 plus 14,498. Put the plus sign, then you add from one space 8 plus 8 16. 6 you write in 10 unit place, then you write the carry in 10 place. Now add with carry 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 9 11. So write in 1 10 place, 1 you put the carry in 100 space. Now 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 5 7. Then you come to the 1000 place. 7 plus 4 how much? 11. So you write here 1 in 1000 place. Put the carry in 10,000 place. Now add with carry 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4. So what is the answer? 41,716. So like this type you solve the remaining problems. 41,716. Okay. Here are given a factory produces 11,525 cars in January and 10,637 cars in February. So here one of the factory. In that factory they are manufactured the cars. Okay. How many cars in January? 11,525 cars. In February, how many cars they are produces? 10,637. So now we find the how many cars they are produces in the 2 months. Okay. Now I start by the statement. So how many cars they are produced in January? cars produces in January how many cars? 11,525 cars produced in February. How many cars they produces in February? 10,637. So total cars produces. Total means we add both they produces both the months cars. Take the in that I add both months they produces cars. First I write January month 11,525, February month 10,637. Put the plus sign, add from one space 5 plus 7 12. To here in one space, put the carry in 10 space. Now add with carry 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6. We come to the 100 place. Here given the numbers 5 6. Add both 5 plus 6 11. We write in 100 place 1. We put the carry in 1000 place. Now add with carry 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 0 0. So any number you should add to 0 that answer will come itself. Itself means what you added that number only. 1 plus 1 2. So we come to the 10,000 place 1 plus 1 2. So what is the answer? 22,162. So how many cars they produced in both the months? 22,162 cars are produced in the 2 months. Okay. See children, see the word problem second one. A car weighs 17,246 kg and a truck weighs 52,496 kg. So you find out total weight of the together. See children, now second one problem. So in this problem they given a car weighs 17,246 kg and a truck weighs 52,496 kg. So you find do both the weight together. Okay. So now we solve by the statement. First we write a car weight. A car weighs how much? 17,246 kg. And the next one thing, truck. A truck weighs how much? 52,496 kg. So take side graph. You add both the weight 17,246, 52,496. You add both. First we start from one space 6 plus 6 12. To write in one space we put the carry in 10 space. Now add with carry 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 9 14. You write 4 in 10 place, put the carry in 100 space. Now add with carry 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4, 7. Now you add from 1000 place, 7 plus 2, 9. 1 plus 5, 6. What is the answer? 69,742. This is the weight of the both car and truck. The way of car and truck. How much? 69,742 kg. Okay. See children, now third one. In an examination, 56,796 children passed and 33,742 children failed. How many children appeared in the examination? So now we solve by the statement. Here one of the exam is there. Some children are failed, some are passed. You find out how many children are appeared in the exam. Okay. So now in an examination, number of children passed. How many children passed? 56,796 children. Number of children failed. How many children failed in the exam? 33,742 children. So we take side out. Add both the numbers. Failed and passed children. 6 plus 2, 8. 9 plus 4, how much? 13. You write 3 in tens place, put the carry in hundreds place. Now add with carry. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. You write 5 in hundreds place, put the carry in thousand place. Now add with carry. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 0 write in thousand place, put the carry in 10,000 place. Now add with carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So what is the answer? 90,538. Students, how many students? 90,538 children appeared in the examination. Are you understand, children? How much? Students, I have explained 3 problems. The remaining we have to complete in classwork and homework notebook. So here we given 4, 5, 6. Here 3 problems are given here. So fourth one, the question is there are 35,890 boys and 45,678 girls in a college. How many students are there in the college? See this one. How do you solve? I'll give some hints. You follow the hints and you solve the problems. First you write here. First number of boys. How many boys are there? 35,890. So first you write the statement number of boys. Number of boys 35,890. The next step you write number of girls. How many girls? 45,678. 5678 girls. Then add both the students, boys and girls. So take it off. In that you add both the numbers. Then the last third one step, you write the students total. Total students are there in the college. Then you write the answer. Like this type you solve step by step. Now we go to fifth one. So in the fifth one question, a shopkeeper sold 72,396 in one day. Next day sold 13,786. How many books are sold in both the days? See here, first you write the statement. Number of books sold in one day or first day. You write the first statement. Number of books sold in first day. You write the 72,396. Then second statement you write number of books sold in next day. Next day how many books they sold? 13,786. First day 72,396 means first you write the statement number of books sold in one day. The second statement number of books sold in next day. Okay. Then the last you add both the books. Then you write the last number total. How many you remove? You write here total books sold in both the days. Then you write the answer. Okay. So are you understood? Then you come to the sixth one. So sixth one problem. 12,362 oranges in one basket. 15,486 oranges in another basket. And 25,630 oranges in third basket. Students, now you find total oranges are there in all. Means you add all the oranges. First you write the statement. Number of oranges in one basket. You write the how many basket? How many oranges are there in the first one basket? 12,362. You write number of oranges in one basket. Then next step you write the number of oranges in another basket or second basket. Second basket you write the how many are 15,486. You come to the third statement. You write number of oranges in third basket. Third basket how many are there? 25,630. You add all the oranges. You write the how many you remove? You write here total. Total oranges are there in all. You write the answer. What came out that answer? You write like this type. You solve all the three problems.